Oh, and cooked out on the grill. Nick's out there, he's fishing. Caught one catfish. Serenity's out there eating her corn in the paddle boat. Kids are over there with the other paddle boats. Everybody here eating. Just a beautiful day here. You catch anything, all you don't have no pull in. There's our catfish we caught. Only caught one, but it's starting to get even. But the kids are playing now, so we'll wait until they're done and we'll throw our fishing poles out. Just having a quiet evening with our neighbors and his grandkids, our grandkids. Cave's right up there. Done walked all this holler. Still got to cross on the other side. I was at the hay rake. That's where my phone died on me. Filming sure takes up a lot of that battery juice. Everything looks so beautiful. Cattails are dying out for the year. Enjoying the country, it's just so beautiful. Seen that bullfrog earlier. Thought something might jump, but I'm sure everything's scared out around here. Ferns growing in our dam. Water lilies, they bloomed. We'll get pictures of it next